What's up, nerds and virgins? It's your boy APE Crypto, and today I'll be covering two projects that are launching this November and that I believe have huge potential. If you're into CNFTs and you love the sound of that, I'd recommend you subscribe to my channel because I'm making content on Cardano NFTs almost every single day. So make sure you hit that notification bell to not miss out on that. Also, head over on Twitter and follow me there for CNFT news, discussions, and CNFT giveaways. I have to record videos, send them off to my editor, but on Twitter, I can just post things straight away. So if you want news really quickly, follow me there. So the first project I'll be talking about today is Nerds and Virgins. And as most of you know, this is my own project, as you can see on the chalkboard. So keep this in mind when I'm talking about this because I'm obviously biased. But for the sake of this video, I'll try to be as least biased as I can. So Nerds and Virgins is a 10K collection representing the Cardano community in a humorous way. And it's a story-themed NFT set with huge perks for holders and with an experienced team. So Nerd Perks. What is Nerd Perks? Nerd Perks is the series of rewards that Nerds and Virgins holders will be getting for simply having diamond hands. Here's the benefits of ownership. So for Season 1, exclusive access to limited releases, exclusive access to every seasonal release, every season whitelist, chance of rewards via merchandise, physical collectibles. So we've got merch, physical collectibles, and we have many seasons of the pipeline. You can see this on our website. I won't dive too deep into this, but we have many things lined up to ultimately reward our holders. As seen with projects like Grumpy Bunny, this can do wonders for projects. And I've seen this time in and time out, and this was something I definitely wanted to implement in my own project. So I believe this is a good catalyst for success. Another good catalyst is the team. So you've obviously got myself. I've got quite a bit of an audience, so that helps for marketing purposes. We've got Lucas, who is our Discord wizard and our co-founder. He's the brains behind a lot of cool stuff. We've got Christian, who's the founder and creator of Cardano Kiwis, which is another awesome CNFT project. And we have APE Crypto, who specialize in minting and website services for NFT drops. They're absolute professionals, and they've done many drops, including Rhino Generation, which is another successful CNFT project. And we have NFT Masters, which are our artists, and as you can see from our website, they have absolutely killed it. The art is very clean, very well done, and it depicts the image of nerds and virgins very well, exactly how I imagined. In regards to our community, we've gained quite a big following, and we have awesome engagement on our posts. And I believe that all attributes to our community and how close that I personally have gotten with everyone. If you've been in the Discord, you'd know that I'm arguably the most active founder in all of CNFTs, and I'm in there all day, every single day. I'm very devoted to this, and I felt like this is a necessity, and I think this is another reason why our project so far is doing well and is doing good numbers. We've also made good partnerships with Crypto Dino and many other projects. I don't want to harp on about Nerds and Virgins too long for this video because I've covered them before in this video here. So I'll leave the link in the description for that, where I dive in deeply into this. This is about 19 minutes long, so you'll find out all good information there. You can also find out information by just joining the Discord and asking me questions. I'm in there all the time, so just ping me in the general chat. We'll be launching on the 10th of November at 5 PM UTC, which at the time of recording is 1 day, 7 hours and 56 minutes away. And by the time this comes out, it will be a matter of hours away from launching. So hopefully I see you there. This was just a quick overview of my project. I didn't want to dive too deeply into this project, just a quick overview. So the next project that I'll be talking about is Crypto Dino and their next drop. So if you've been following the CNFT space, you'd have seen that Crypto Dino is one of the powerhouses in the scene. It has been around for a while and it is ranked 8 in all-time volume. It has over 1.7 million ADA traded, and the floor price is 95, and they have a total of almost 10,000 transactions for their 10K mint. This is a very successful project, and it is seen as a blue chip by some. They have a big community, a big following on Twitter, and they're finally doing their next drop, which is a part of their roadmap. So first, they had their pre-launch, their token sale, and now they're having the collection of Dino Saviours, which is the next step of the roadmap in Q4 of 2021. And this is happening in November, as you can see in the Twitter description. Like the dinos themselves, the Saviours are incredibly cute, and they'll be a part of their play to earn game, which is coming in Q2 of 2022, which is absolutely awesome. I really am bullish on dinos, and I have been for a while, and there's a couple reasons for this. One, because of the previous success of their last project, and two, because of the capabilities of the team. They have huge experience in gamification, and they have nailed everything they have touched. So I have no doubt in my mind it will be the same for this drop, and as well as when the game comes out. I believe their game will be awesome, and as a result of this these NFTs will be valuable because they'll be used, and as play to earn games grow, these could explode in value. So for me, this is a long-term hold. And you can see why I'm bullish on these guys by this video. So as you can see, the graphics are amazing and everything is very professional and very well done. Exactly like everything they've touched and like everything I've said before in this video. It's so early and I can only see Dinos grow from here, and it could potentially be the blue chip CNFT game that everyone is looking for. Potentially the Axie of Cardano. You just never know. And besides the fact of gamification, I think these Saviours are just cute as well, and they can retain value in that way, exactly like the Dinos have. I personally minted Dinos for 1688 at the start of my CNFT journey, and now they're well above that at 9588, so I personally expect the same for Saviours. Maybe not as high, but I do believe they will be above mint price. And if not, I personally am not phased because I'm in it with Crypto Dino for the long haul, because I do believe in the gamification of these NFTs, and I can really see them doing well given their team and their size of their community. So if you want to find out about Dinos and Nerds and Virgins, I'll leave all the valid links in the description from both websites, both Discords, and both Twitter links. I'll leave them there so you can do your own research. This is really important, and this is something you should all be doing, as I'm not a financial advisor. Just because I'm on YouTube telling you something doesn't mean you do it. Please, please, please do your own research. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. Bit of a quick one, but these are great projects, and I've dove deep into Nerds and Virgins, and I'm diving deeper into Crypto Dino later in the week, closer to their drop as well. So this was just a quick update on these two. Of course, I'm biased about Nerds and Virgins, but I do believe it's a good project, and Crypto Dino, I honestly believe it can be a blue chip. But that being said, do your own research, and I really hope you enjoyed this video, but most importantly, hope you found it valuable. And if you did, I'd appreciate it if you could smash that like button for me, and also subscribe to the channel. These things help my channel grow, and ultimately they help Cardano NFTs grow because more people will be watching these videos. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'm APE Crypto, the leader of Nerds and Virgins. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time.